Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is just a quick video. Today I'm going to be adding some raised lettering to my Ford Maverick, my 2022 Ford Maverick. I picked up some of this raised lettering off of Etsy really cheap. It was less than 30 bucks. It's very similar to what Ford has. This is actually a raised lettering. This is not a flat sticker. I'm going to go ahead and do that now just really quick. You could do this with any truck. Go ahead on Etsy. It's way cheaper than even eBay or Amazon for this type of thing. But let's go ahead and get started on it. Alright, the Maverick was actually already washed, but you want to use the alcohol patch just to get any kind of wax or other debris that might have gotten on there. You want a nice dry surface, you go ahead and let the alcohol dry a little bit. I went over it with two different alcohol pads, so now it looks dry. Let's go ahead and install these letters. And actually, before you install them, do a dry install on these. Actually, just go ahead and see if the letters actually fit in there okay. You don't want to get in there and have one that's not the correct size for some reason, or maybe you're missing one before you start. All right, there you have it, folks. It's actually pretty easy. I didn't use that credit card thing or whatever. These things, I just didn't want to scratch my paint on here. Make sure you do this on a warm day too. It's nice to be over 60, 70 degrees when you do this. Kind of the same as when you're painting anything. The adhesive just has a chance to stick better when everything's warm. And of course, if you got the surface clean, you should be good to go. But I say this is a pretty good addition. It kind of makes it stand out a little bit more. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.